about to go up to Bodie. So the road is completely snowed in, so we got a snowmobile up. I'm so stoked to go ski up in Bodie. We've been looking for some abandoned towns to do some cool skiing, and we found Bodie.
Bodie was a thriving gold mining town in the 1880s. We had up to 2,000 buildings. Currently, right now, we have about 200 structures. So when you visit Bodie, you're going to experience what we call arrested decay. We're preserving the town as it's frozen in time.
We're building up a bunch of features to film and edit.
Since I've been working at Bodie, this is the most snow I've ever seen. We haven't had that much snow here in a good 7 years.
This opportunity was perfect because I really want to push the sport into different ways, and doing urban and unique skiing like this is really helping the sport grow.
For Cody to come out here and to be able to do this, it's very unique.